See this black truck right here, people? This is a demon. This is a stalker. Do you see what he's doing, people? Do you see what he's doing? This is a stalker in this black truck. Stalking and following me. He's been turning down different streets that I walk down. And now I'm walking through a churchyard headed to a destination. And he is driving up behind a funeral and cremation services establishment, trying to play it off. This is what the community organized harassment is all about, people. They have idiots following you non-stop. More than likely, he's been ordered and commanded to stalk me by the freak Masons. Since they are a part of the kingdom of darkness, of course they find me to be a threat. And that's fine. Because I will continue to operate in the true light. The one and only true light is Christ Jesus, the light that emanates from Him.